Today we're going to be reviewing the installation of Apple Carplay on my 2016 Honda CRV. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Before we get started with the video, if you're an average guy like me and you hate paying people to do some stuff for you and you like DIY videos, subscribe to my channel because this is what this channel is all about. In today's video, we're going to go over the frequently asked questions that I get about the installation, and then we're going to also review the installation as well. The most frequently asked question that I get about the installation is if it supports Android Auto, and no, this does not support Android Auto, unfortunately. If there does become an update for Android Auto, I will be sure to put it out and I'll show you guys how to install it as well. The second question I get asked the most frequently is why am I disconnecting the gray cable in the back of the head unit, otherwise known as the compass cable. This is so that the navigation from your phone doesn't get interfered by the GPS signals coming from your car. The software will download successfully without you disconnecting the gray cable. However, the GPS signals will get interfered by the compass wire from the car. The third question I get is if this will work with CRV outside of 2015, 2016, Civics, HRVs, and Pilots. No, this will not work with any of those cars. This only works with CRVs with 2015, 2016 with no navigation. Any other car, it does not work. If there does become another software update available, I will make sure to show you guys how to install it, just like how I did with this CRV as well. Now to begin the review, I've used this software very heavily for the past month. All you have to do is plug in your phone and Apple CarPlay starts right up. When you plug in your phone, your music will start playing right away, whether it's Spotify, Apple Music, or even SoundCloud. The Apple Maps and Google Maps works great. It all really relies on your cell phone signal, so if your cell phone signal is good, then the navigation should work as well. All the features of the car still work. The blind spot camera works. When you turn on your right blinker to maybe go in the right lane or make a right turn, the blind spot camera still activates. And even when you press in the button on the turn signal, the blind spot camera still works as well. In addition, the rear view camera works when you go into reverse. It's just like when you have your car normally, the rear view camera operates properly as well. My biggest complaint about the installation is that when I disconnect my phone, the audio output is still staying on Apple CarPlay. For example, when I enter my car and I don't feel like connecting my phone, and it's still stuck on Apple CarPlay. So that means no sound is coming out. Preferably, I would want it so that it would go maybe to radio, like FM or AM, or even just connect to my Bluetooth, because my Bluetooth on my phone is always on. This is really just a small complaint though, because all I have to do is press source, and then we'll just go to FM and AM. So to rate this overall installation, I would give it maybe a 9.5 out of 10. It's really easy to use, it's practically free, and the whole head unit software is still really smooth. This wraps up my 1 month review of my Apple CarPlay installation on my 2016 CRV. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm pretty sure it did help you. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you guys in the next one.